Good morning, guys. This is Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Monday. I hope everyone is doing great. Hey, yeah, we're experiencing some like serious heat wave. So it's very hot. Even now, it's like almost 33 degrees Celsius. So yeah, it's quite hot. So what's really happening on the market as we can't change the weather? Let's see. Monday, nothing. We don't really have any economic news. Let's go Tuesday, not really important. I see CPI for Australia. For those who trade the news, they can just wake up. The most important one, I like this one. New Zealand interest rates. If I can wake up around 3, I can actually trade this news. I like to trade the news, by the way. After that, I see preliminary GDP quarter to quarter. Okay, not really, yeah, but I don't think it's gonna push the market that crazy. This week we don't really have much, and I think the one which is going to be important is going to be unemployment change from Canada, and also unemployment claims and price and PCE price index. This might be our only important economic news. So Powell is going to speak. So yeah, we will see. I think on Friday we will see what will happen in the market. So you can just update yourself. Go on CNBC just to check what's really happening in the market. Don't be surprised when the market is going up or down, or maybe when the market is just stuck. You can find some few points just to understand. Few points, obviously, 2 of them, they can just help you. Like maybe Thursday, Friday, the market was not really moving that much. But if you went here, you were going to actually understand that, oh, it's Thanksgiving in the US. People, they celebrating that, even though the market was open. But you know what? The market was not really moving. So let's push to the next one, which is going to be our purpose of the day. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends, and for those who wants to join the team, guys, we said until month end, so you still have a chance to say, Kenzo, I'm giving myself a discount. So the special, it's actually giving yourself the discount. You can choose how much you want to pay. You can say, I want 6 months, but I only have this much, whatever that you have, $150 or less. If you want 12 months, you can say, Kenzo, I have maybe 230, I have 200. You can tell me exactly what you are, how much you afford. Also on the lifetime signal, 12 months mentoring also, or mentorship. Here, where for those who wants to learn, for those who wants to be to take this serious and just do their own thing, yeah, you can come and learn from me. 12 months. You can also give yourself some discounts here on actually on the all the prices. So you can scan the QR code or use the numbers or use the link in my description. So let's go back to work. So DXY, what's really happening on DXY? The market has been pushing lower, and I like it. Very much. It's been going down for quite some time, and that shows that the dollar is losing some momentum. The dollar is losing some momentum, and that is something that is good, because it shows that that will help with inflation. Maybe this shows that the inflation slowly is pushing lower. So this strong the strength of the dollar pushing lower, that is actually a good thing. Because sorry. So because once the strength of let me just get something to drink. Yeah, sorry. So what's really happening, we can easily see that since the market is breaking to the lowest side, this gives us a chance to buy other pairs that goes with the dollar, and not only the ones which goes with the dollar. We know that dollar has like this dominance all over the world. So once it pushes lower, it gives other currency pairs, or let's just say pairs, or any other indices to breathe. So now when it's going down like that, we know that other pairs, they will be at least gaining some momentum. So yeah, now it shows that, yeah, it's still pushing lower. We have a nice support there. I'm expecting the market to keep pushing lower, but for now we don't really have a proper resistance structure that we can use for this downtrend. But obviously when times goes on, we're gonna get that. But for now, it's still very, very early. So yeah, the dollar is pushing lower. The dollar is still pushing lower, or dollar index for those who just want it like that. So GBP, JPY, this is going to be just quick updates, guys. Yesterday we did the full analysis on the weekly analysis. You can go check that. And you can see that, yes, GBP, JPY, it was pushing lower. We had a breakout. Market retested here. We smashed it. Now we reached the resistance. It seems like the market is going back. Let's go back. Let's go there. I think we have to make it a little bit thicker so that we don't fall for any fake breakouts. So now our job is to do what? Is to wait for the market to go down. When it pushes up, we can buy. Or maybe we can wait for a breakout, then we can buy above that. Why? Because we are looking for buy positions only as we are on an uptrend. So we actually waiting for this uptrend to develop nicely. But now it's still very young, still very early for this trend to give us those structures. You will see that almost all this pairs that we have, the trend, they're still very young or very small. Sorry, they're still very new. You can see we don't really have a proper line like that. And yeah, that's normal. That's normal. So yeah, now we are on GBP USD. It's quite the same thing. The market gave us this sort of rejections, withdrawn, everything there. So now we're just waiting for a proper support area. But where we are now, it's actually a very good space for us to do what? To buy, because the market just broke out of that resistance. So yeah, I did not really see that, but it's still a good time for us to do what? To look for that buy position if we have a buy pending order, or we can just jump straight on that pending order. It will be far. So, and we can have something like that. So I think maybe that will give us something, as the market is still showing us that I'm still pushing to the upside. So we're gonna make something like this. You see this square, just to measure. Yeah, just to measure what's really happening. We can do something like this and say, let's clone this, or let's just copy. Let's just copy around this area. You can see, just to know where maybe the market might reverse, something like that. So which means our take profit will be somewhere there. Why? Because this average moves here. You can see that's how the market was creating its reversals, and at the end of the day, it creates support and resistance. So now we have something like this. So which means the market might be going to push like that, going further. The market does something like this almost every day, and you can go check that on other pairs, guys. You can go check that on other pairs. So I think a buy can actually give us some very nice push there. We can make some profits, but it's still Monday. We don't really just have to jump on anything. Anyways, let's push to the next one. Sorry, anything. It's like most of these pairs are giving us some bullish moves, and which is good. So Euro USD also doing the same. It's following other pairs. You can see we see a very nice push to the upside, but on this one I think maybe the market already gave us a nice push to the upside. Where we are now, I think it's just a matter of time for us to say, let's just wait. The market already reached the resistance, so we can just wait for the market to reverse, and then before we even look for a buy, the market can reverse before we look for a buy, or maybe the market will break this area. But with this structure, I'm not really happy with this structure. Yes, we can see that it's a bullish momentum or uptrend, but we don't really have a proper support area, and I want that proper support so that we can able to join our structures going further. And when we buy, we know that, okay, we are very close to the resistance, or maybe, sorry, to the support, and maybe now it's time to get out, something like that. But now we don't really have that. Maybe we will see a reversal anytime soon. Anyways, let's push the next one, as we are still on an uptrend. Please go check our weekly analysis. Gold, what's really happening on gold? I think on this one it's also straightforward. We're supposed to have a buy there. The market was going down very nice. We also smashed it around this area. Now the market broke out here. We need to jump on that buy. that can be a very good buy. Also, you can see it's still very fresh and already it's pushing to the upside. Yeah, it's pushing to the upside. Let's get that very quick. We supposed to get that very quick. I will make sure that after I'm done with this analysis, I'm going straight there and send this analysis. So let's push to the next one as we are on uptrend. It's like every pair that we checked here, they're all pushing to the upside because of the dollar. So it shows that if you also monitor the dollar, you will understand other moves of this market. Simple as that. So what's really happening, you can see that the market is no longer on that downtrend. Now we are pushing to the upside. But on this one, it's also quite similar to Euro USD. The structure, not Euro USD, I think it's Euro Gbpusd, something like that. You can see that the market is no longer, we don't really have a proper structure. Yes, we can see that the market is pushing up. We can see that. Yes, we know that we're supposed to buy, but we need a proper reversal where we can keep buying nicely, not something like this. So if the market is like that, it's difficult for us just to jump on the market because it doesn't really show where it respects. It's just create this smaller resistance support. At the end of the day, we end up getting confused. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to ignore for now US30 and wait maybe for a proper sort of a reversal or maybe a nice sell before I think about buying again. And this might be actually trying to fool us and just to make us to jump. Yes, we might be right in buying as the market might go up, but maybe the reversal might be aggressive before pushing up. We don't know. So if you get early, sometimes you ban. The market can ban your account or something like that, you see. So now we are on Nasdaq. What's really happening? Very nice structure. We like that the market was respecting these areas. Very nice breakout there. So on Nasdaq it's quite different. We see that the market is been pushing up to the upside, but at least we can see a sort of a resistance, sort of a support. So now we're just waiting for the market to reach this level of support before we look for a buy, or maybe the market will break this resistance, or maybe there is a possibility for the market to even go lower. Maybe it can even reach these areas where it broken out before. That is also good, but we will see it by breaking this support first. If not, it means we are going to the moon, we are going up. So I think this will help someone else out there who wanted to update their analysis. So what's really happening? You can still join our team as we have that Black Friday special. We have a Black Friday special, so our special is quite different. So what you can do here is you can just give yourself the discount. Give yourself the discount. From 250 you can just give what from 150 you can give yourself some discounts. 12 months you can give yourself some discounts. Lifetime, all. Just scan that QR code and talk to me, then we'll see what we can do. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Bye.